text-to-film AI is coming faster than you imagine. What used to take an entire production team can now happen with just one click. This new tool, OpenCreator AI, turns your idea into a film automatically. Idea to script, script to storyboard, storyboard to video, all on its own. And the best part? You control everything. OpenCreator is an all-in-one AI platform that brings together the best models for text, image, and video generation. It gives you the freedom to build your own workflow or use pre-designed ones built by the team at OpenCreator.io. Whether you're creating a short film, an animated sketch, or a trailer, OpenCreator handles it all. Step 1. Idea to script. Type in your story idea. OpenCreator uses a mix of AI models to write a detailed film script for you. You can review, edit, and fine-tune it until it matches your creative vision. Step 2. Script to prompt. Once your script is ready, OpenCreator breaks it down into prompts, describing each scene, camera angle, lighting condition, setting, and more. This step transforms your words into visual guidance. Step 3. Text to storyboard. Now it generates a storyboard using image generation models. You can choose from multiple AI models to get different visual styles, including realistic scenes, animation, trailer-style frames, or even sketch-like drawings. Step 4. Image to video. Pick your favorite storyboard images. OpenCreator converts them into video clips, all at the same time. You can use different image-to-video models and generate multiple versions of your film in parallel. OpenCreator lets you plug in top-tier models at every step. From idea to script, text to image, and image to video, the platform gives you full flexibility and professional-level output. You even get free credits daily. And if you share your creations in the OpenCreator Discord, you can earn more. Link in the description. So if you're a storyteller, filmmaker, or just curious about what AI can do, OpenCreator is a powerful way to bring your ideas to life. The future of filmmaking isn't just coming, it's already here. Try it now at OpenCreator.io and let your next story unfold. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest AI tools. Thanks for watching.